Good afternoon. This is Harshit, your tech host, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. We are thrilled to announce the biggest tech edition of IT Voice magazine. Don't miss out. Click the link below in the description to dive into the future of tech. Instagram, owned by Meta, is developing an AI powered assistant with customizable traits like age, gender, and interest for users, as reported by IT Voice. Users can personalize the assistant, configuring it for various roles like a music expert or a history teacher, adding a level of customization beyond typical AI assistants. The feature aims to offer flexible traits for the assistant but isn't officially confirmed by Instagram or Meta yet. Reports suggest Meta is actively working on its development, but specific details or a release date remain undisclosed. The customizable AI assistant brings intriguing prospects, yet it's uncertain whether it will come to fruition. Instagram's reported feature offers exciting customization potential, though its availability to users remain uncertain. Next, we have Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, introduced a new dashboard aimed at content creators on both platforms. The feature allows for multiple captions and thumbnails for Reels to enhance analysis of the audience preferences. Creators are incentivized through an achievement reward system, providing more visibility upon achieving milestone. The extended tracking duration to 90 days and A/B testing for Reels are pivotal changes for better content analysis. The A/B testing for Reels enables testing multiple captions and thumbnails for creators to evaluate their performance. The new dashboard from Meta offers creators an innovative way to engage and understand their audience better. Tech giants like Microsoft and Google are collaborating with Karya, a startup focused on improving AI data quality. Karya employs local workers, particularly women from rural Indian areas, to gather text, voice, and image data in regional languages. This initiative addresses the issue of providing accurate and relevant data for AI applications catering to non-English speaking users. The partnership between Google and Karya aims to create a generative AI model for 125 Indian languages, focusing on reaching every district in India. Karya stands out by offering fair wages and quality data for tech companies, aiming to enhance AI-powered services across sectors. Google's collaboration with Karya is a step towards serving India's diverse language users with better AI applications. Apple CEO Tim Cook confirmed the company's active involvement in developing generative AI technology during an investors' call. Speculations have circulated regarding Apple's development of a technology similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT, a generative AI chatbot. Reports suggest users might expect to see these AI features by 2024, though the information remains unconfirmed. Cook's remarks during the investors' call indicated that Apple is engaging considerably in generative AI technologies. The focus of Apple's development lies in responsible advancement, emphasizing future product enhancement influenced by these technological endeavors. Cook's comment affirmed that Apple is invested in significant work related to generative AI. Google Meet has launched an on-the-go mode to enhance user experience for those in motion. This feature automatically deactivates video to conserve bandwidth and offers larger buttons for mute, unmute, and ending calls. The mode is activated by detecting user movement or can be manually enabled through the More Controls menu. Users have the option to deactivate the on-the-go mode for a standard video call experience. The feature benefits users on the move, helping conserve data and simplifying controls during mobile video calls. Google Meet's on-the-go mode ensures a user-friendly and adaptive experience for those mobile and on the move. Next up, we have WhatsApp is reportedly developing a feature to share photos and videos as documents, aiming to preserve their original quality. WaBeta Info shared information that this feature intends to maintain the images and videos' original quality without compression. The platform is exploring the possibility of sharing documents up to 2 GB in size to maintain the media's original quality. iOS users are expected to have the ability to select media directly from the gallery, sharing it as documents. This new feature offers users the opportunity to maintain the quality of shared content while expanding control over the content they share. The innovation is poised to provide WhatsApp users with a new option for preserving media quality in their conversations. At last, Elon Musk, owner of X, previously known as Twitter, revealed an AI-driven feature, the See Similar Post, in a bid to transform the platform. The announcement came as part of ongoing efforts to enhance the platform, focusing on search improvements and an entirely AI-based system. Musk emphasized developing a semantic search capability for more accurate and relevant content display. The See Similar Post feature is the first step towards implementing AI-driven functionalities for users' feed recommendations. Musk stressed the shift to an AI-based system to tailor user feeds to their preferences and engagement level. The announcement heralds AI-based advancement to revamp X functionalities and offer users more engaging and relevant content. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।